let's take a walk in downtown San Diego. So let's talk about the downtown city. First of all, you will hear many emergency vehicles. That is the fire department truck. So there we go. Over here is a hair salon where people get their hair done at Pacific Gateway Building. They seem to be very, very busy. It's called Ellis. So, do you live downtown, Mitch? Yes, I live downtown in San Diego. Well, where do you live in downtown San Diego? I live on Ash Street. Ash Street? Yes. ASHSTREET, Ash Street. Well, can I see a picture of your condominium? Yes, of course you can see a picture of my condominium. I live on the 4th floor. Right there. That is my condominium. Oh, that is a very nice condominium. Yes, but it is not cheap. Do you like to live in downtown San Diego? Yes, because I get to see this almost every day. What do you see every day? I see the sunset, I see the trees, I see the nice sidewalk and the clean street there, and I get to meet many nice people every day in downtown San Diego. Have you always lived in downtown San Diego? No. I used to live in Seattle, Washington. Seattle, Washington? Yes. Well, then, why did you move to San Diego? Oh, because I like it much better here. Do you have many policemen and policewomen in San Diego? Yes, we do. Here is a policeman right now. They like to patrol the downtown area to keep people safe. Oh, sometimes they say hello, and sometimes they say goodbye. Where did you buy your condominium at? Where did you go? Oh, I went to Sotheby's International Beauty. That's where I went. Oh, it's right there, huh? Yes. Sotheby's International Realty. What do? They help a person buy a house or a condominium. Do they help people to rent an apartment? No. They only help you to buy a condominium or rent a house. But you said they were international. What does that mean? That means they sell condominiums and houses all around the world. Like where? Let's see this sign here. Paris, Rome, Taipei, Tokyo, Athens, almost everywhere around the world because they are international. Oh, that's very interesting. Can you show me some of the streets in San Diego? Of course. To my left here is Ash Street, and you can see even on a Sunday it's kind of busy. Do you want to see a very tall apartment complex? Yes, I do. Okay, let me show you one right here. This is a very tall apartment complex. How tall is it, do you think? Oh, I think maybe 80 stories. What is a story? What does that mean, story? A story is like a floor or a level of a apartment complex. Okay, so that one has 75 floors. Yes, but in America, we usually say stories. And see, again, this is why I moved to San Diego. Very beautiful. Let's go up the street for a minute. So we are on Ash Street. And here on Ash Street, you can see many interesting businesses. This is an artisan design group company. Oh, wait, my friend, here comes the train. Let's take a look at the train. Well, what kind of train is this? This is really a tram. We say tram. It takes people from one part of San Diego to another part. And usually during the week, it's very busy because people use this tram to go to work and to come home from work. And there's our tram, San Diego Trolley. There we go. And this is a very popular and smart way to save money. Well, why do you say that? Because if you have a car, you do not have to spend any money for gas. You hop on the tram or the trolley and you go to work. And then when you are done with work, you come home. Hey, you want to see something? Yes. Let's take a look at some of the prices of condominiums. Look at this condominium. $585,000, but it's only 619 square feet. That is a lot of money. Yes, it is. It's very difficult to do this video without laughing. And here is another condominium. Again, this one's 919 square feet for $649,000 for a little space in downtown San Diego. There we go. Do you want to keep walking? Yes, I do. Okay, so over here, I like to come to this restaurant. Well, what's the name of the restaurant? It is called Shino Sushi and Capo. Oh my gosh, sushi. I like sushi. Yes, I do too. Shino Sushi is very popular restaurant. See there? Very nice place to eat. So if you ever come down to San Diego, you want to eat at Shino Sushi Restaurant. This has been an excellent tour of downtown San Diego. Thank you, Mitch. Well, thank you too, you guys, for coming along with me as we have a conversation in English. Take care.